Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. It's been a while. In this video, I just want to talk about two things. The first one is I've seen messages, people asking me like, how much does it cost to start up your mobile money business with that MTN or Orange in Cameroon? People have been asking me questions like that. How much does it cost to start up mobile money? And I've done a video before. In that video, I said you can start up your mobile money business either with 50,000 francs and above. It just depends on how fast you want it to. You understand? If you have a lot of capital, you are also going to be making a lot of money. But if you have just small capital, you can start with that capital and grow with that capital. But don't make a mistake of starting with small capital and also wanting to eat from that same capital. Don't make that mistake, right? You just want to start with small capital, yet you want to be eating from that, the profits. Like you sell today, you make profit. You want to use that profit and eat. No. So there is no particular amount of money that I will tell you that, okay, start with this amount. Whatever amount that you have, as long as you have gotten the SIM card, I think the Orange SIM card is a bit cheaper than the MTN SIM card. But now with the Orange SIM card, if you're unable to do transactions, maybe with time they'll collect it back from you. But I think with the MTN, once you have it, you have it. I think some people are even selling their own MTN SIM cards when they don't want to use it anymore. So the more transactions you do, the more you earn commission, right? The more you earn commission. And then the next thing is people asking me private questions like, what kind of business can I do? What kind of business can I start up? I have a lot of business ideas, videos on my channel. Now, it just depends on you as a person. What do you want to do? How much do you have as capital? And what are your passion? What are the things that you love doing? You understand? Sometimes it's not every business that you started that you run it by yourself. If you know how to do management, there are businesses that you started and then you give it to people to manage it for you while you are just doing other things, but you are also supervising those businesses. So whatever business idea that you have, there is no perfect time to start up that business idea. There is nothing like a perfect time. Just start it up. You understand? Just start that business. And how do you also sell yourself is another question I've been receiving in my comment section. So people are asking me in my old videos like, if I start up a poultry farm, how do I market my birds when they are ready? Use Facebook ads. It is paying. I have a small business which I started and I've been using Facebook ads and I've been having a lot of customers. So you can use Facebook ads, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube ads. You know, there is a way you run ads. Just in case you don't know, maybe I might do a video on that. How to run ads to get to your target audience. So these are just the things I want to talk about in this video, right? If you want to start up something, just start. There is no perfect time. There is no amount of money. You must not know how much people are earning before you start that business. This is a mindset that some people have. You want to start up a business, you go and be asking people, how much do you make from this business? Do you really make money? Why? Because maybe somebody have told you the business is not profitable. Somebody can do a particular business and it's not profitable for them, but you go and do that business and you're making money, because it all matters how you're using your profit, right? It matters how you're using your profit. So that's just that for this video. So just in case you're kind of still confused, just watch this video and then share with somebody to encourage somebody, and to also say some of the kind of businesses that you can start up that you make real good money, right? Anything food stuff, you make money. You see all these clothes, you see these shoes, you see all these things, you make money, but it takes time. But anything food is a fast turnover business, right? Yeah, so that's just it for this video, and until now I will see you shortly in another video. Bye.